preparation and attunement. Being comfortable smelling each other. When choosing a suitable energetic healing partner of the other polarity, the most important and perhaps the only rule is that both can accept each other's smell. The biologists talk here about pheromones and species preservation, but it is also and above all about the subtle sensing whether the aura of a soul does us good, complements us, and has a balancing effect or not. If we embrace a person and our feelings, and therefore also our chakras, do not expand, but instead they contract, then we should look for another energetic healing partner to experience SEH. With an energetically matching healing partner, we feel completely at ease. We then do not need anything in that moment when we are immersed in the aura of the other. If we are attentive, we feel the soothing and harmonizing subtle balancing current of astral energies within us. It feels beautiful. We could call it love, if only the term were not used in such a one-sided way in common parlance. What form of love? That is another question. Feeling good in the aura between yin and yang is a sexual feeling in energetic terms, but not necessarily experienced as physically sexual. Many energetic healing partners embrace the other polarity without being aroused. Sometimes cultural norms or good manners keep us from developing a sexual feeling, and if these are important to us, there is nothing wrong with that. Let's focus on this feeling of well-being in the sensual and energetic exchange between yin and yang. Let's feel the subtle harmonizing energy mist that gently envelops us in the proximity of the other polarity and makes us feel completely still. Let us breathe through our heart chakra whenever we are in the presence and aura of another soul, making special use of the natural attraction between yin and yang to be able to open our subtle heart center even further. Let us feel this fine tingling within us when we are close to the other polarity. Let's enjoy these moments, savor them, feel into them, let the natural harmonizing flow of energy flow freely. For this we only need to open ourselves.